Hi guys, we have this English oven pizza base. Let's see its review and recipe. This one is 200 gram pack, MRP is 45 rupees and the life is mentioned on the pack is 5 days. Use it before that date. The date is mentioned here. It is 100% veg pizza base and here we have the ingredients. Let's open the pack. In the pack we have 2 pieces and the size of the pizza base is 8 inches. Base is soft. This side is the reverse and this one is the Seedha side. Coming to the pizza recipe, apply the sauce mix over it. Spread it evenly to have a great taste of pizza. Now spread the grated cheese as required over the pizza on sauces and spread the chopped veggies over it. I have capsicum, tomato and onion. On the veggies, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt and spread more grated cheese on the top of the veggies as well. At last, sprinkle some Italian herbs and preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now bake the pizza in preheated oven for 10 minutes. Our homemade pizza with the ready-made pizza base is ready to serve now. Enjoy it hot. I have used processed cheese so it won't pull like mozzarella cheese, but the taste is great. And before serving, sprinkle some more Italian herbs and chili flakes. Okay, coming back to the review of pizza base. I found this pizza base fresh and delicious to prepare pizza. But if you compare it with the fresh dough based pizza, you cannot compare the taste. The taste is different here because this pizza base turn a bit crisp. Still, it is good for those busy days when you don't have time. Also to mention that even if you don't have a microwave oven, you can still prepare with the regular tawa method and the taste remains same. So you can give it a try for once in a while and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.